Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video is finding you all well and good. As you remember in the last episode, we were doing the Jeep Gladiator Overland build and installed this Beaver bed rack. So today, we're going to figure out how to get the rooftop tent up on top. And I think what I'm going to do is use these two 2x4s as some skid rails and just slide it right up on top. So let's see how that works out.
Colors in my head, dishes in the kitchen sink, radio humming, the birds are singing, calling in the morning breeze, pictures on the shelf, whispers of another life, footsteps fading, feeling haunted, chasing down the evening light. I'm not one of the young anymore, time's got me down. If this is meant to be, then why am I spinning out? Walking the line like somebody who's figured it out. I've never been this old before. You know I've heard it told, you better do it all right now. The moment's fleeting, disappearing, go and find it in the clouds. I'm not one of the young anymore, time's got me down. If this is meant to be, then why am I spinning out?
How's it going there, neighbor?
Not too bad. What are you up to?
How's that new toilet?
What's that?
How's that new toilet?
Well, I haven't tried it yet, but we're going camping next set off, so I'll let you know. But it should work all right. You got your camper all ready? You been out yet?
I went to a funeral, so I took it.
Oh, sorry to hear.
I had it plugged in and I used a little heater,
So,
electric heater.
yeah.
Good.
Yeah. No, I'm hoping to get out here, get at least one night in before I go back to work.
Car on there?
It's a tent. It's a tent that goes on the rack up here, and then it pops up.
Nice outfit.
Well, it's coming along, yeah. Yeah, you have a good ride.
I'm not one of the young anymore, time's got me down. If this is meant to be, then why am I spinning out? Walking the line like somebody's figured it out. I've never been this old before. I've never been this old before. Never been this old.
Well, that was pretty sketchy, but it did work out. I just strapped the tent down temporarily and pulled her around to the side here so we can bolt her down. So to attach the tent to the bed rack, you just take these two little plates, run a bolt through them. Well, actually 2 bolts, one on each end, and then they just slide into a rail underneath the tent. Then you just take a plate, put it underneath, put the bolts through it and add some nuts, tighten her up, and that should clamp the rooftop tent down to the rack and hold it in place. Do that in all 4 corners and good to go. Well, how about that? There's my rooftop tent. You know, it's not going to be a lot of room, but I think for what it's designed for, just for a couple of nights overlanding out in the bush, I think that's certainly going to be fine. I mean, obviously if you're a lot shorter than me, this thing's going to fit you a lot better. Next up, I've got to buy a solar panel and mount it to the top so we can set up a little electrical system. Probably just going to go with a 12 volt system. We don't need 120 in the Overland build, but there it is, guys. So, till next time, stay safe, have fun, and you know how it is. Get out there and have yourselves an adventure.